na only me, oh. You understand? Because the rate wey people they get kidney, liver, this, that, bro. In get wetin I don't think, oh. God na actually merciful God, oh. God na merciful God. Imagine say God can say, okay, yes, so for you now to they keep your kidney going or something. Forget about dialysis after maybe the person don't get one issue or the other. Maybe they don't burn you now. You go they recharge your kidney or they recharge your liver. No, but God no even put any medication. So you go take this medication for you. Nothing like that. I know they do adverts for you. Oh. Make a shall cover the water small. But na see way water be this. Make a cover and make it no be like say they do advert. And they do advert. See way no know me, I don't know them. But they drink their water. But waiting they try to tell you be say now, you see water. Even I don't check the water rate wey they say make we dey drink it. I notice anybody they reach am. But if you just wake up, if you dey no allow make water hungry, you don't allow yourself to be thirsty, to be dry, or to be dehydrated. My brother, they drink water. Oh. Kidney dialysis no be child's play. Oh. Kidney see, make I just summarize this video. Dialysis is expensive, but water is cheap. See as sun, see the humidity of sun as it shine. Even if World Cup when they play, they do water break. My brother, they drink water. Oh. They drink water. Oh. No be every time carbonated drink. I don't mention any brand. Oh. Dry gin, alcohol. My brother, they drink water. They drink water. Drink. I'm telling you, drink. They drink water. Oh. If you get kidney this thing, now share people go share your picture. Oh. Nobody go help you. Now share, they go just they share. Please help me and forward this. If it has touched your mind, help me